What's up?
Alright, so we just wake up and then we will have a breakfast. Like yummy breakfast.
With the beautiful view overlooking the pool and the ocean. It's so bright already, you know, it's like a 9:30. And yeah, today was a very exciting day because we're gonna explore more about North Bali, and actually we're gonna go to the West Bali today. So stay tuned because it will be super exciting day. I hope so.
When I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes.
So now we check out from the hotel and we heading to the West Bali with the rice paddy surroundings. Hi honey.
Let's go.
So this is the way to the West Bali. They changing the bridge, so it's still under construction.
Alright, so we are just stopped on the middle of the road between Lovina and Pemuteran, western coast, north coast of Bali, buying some drinks, and check this out what is just at the other side. I will show you. This is the power station, the biggest power station in Bali. So as you can see, this is the biggest power station in Bali. It looks like this. I will try to zoom a little bit. I think that's very interesting fact. If somebody will ask how's the electricity in Bali, where it's coming from. So this is coming from North Bali, from this.
A beautiful cliff here. Wow. Look at, that's the temple. And then that's the ocean view.
Alright, so we just arrived to the Pemuteran. This is the center of Pemuteran.
Yeah.
As you saw on the road, we passed quite many closed businesses. However, here we saw some hotel and diving center and restaurant and coffee shop open. For sure we will have a coffee and we will show you around how it looks the situation in Pemuteran area.
Alright, so this is the only one of villas and hotel which is open. And then I saw also there is a one restaurant open. Let's see. And then that's the dive centers, Bali Pearls or something like that. It's closed, remain closed. Yeah. So we will go to the restaurant over there which is open.
That's how it looks. Here is something open over here actually, as you can see. This is the main road in Pemuteran area. If you're gonna go in this direction, it's already Gilimanuk and Menjangan. Here is something open. Blue Corner Dive Center, yes.
It remains closed, unfortunately. And then, yeah, so I think this is the only one restaurant which is open.
Yeah, this one seems to be open. Yes, actually it is open. Open buka, and you can have a lunch, everything over here. There are some people there actually even. It is actually really nice. And I will quickly show you area around. It's actually quiet, I have to say, on the road. Even this is the main road
And
to
over
the...
there, this is the dive center. It closed.
Yeah, over there. Everything remains actually closed except this place. Few places.
Oh, this is Taman Sari Hotel where we used to stay.
Oh yes, I remember this road actually. We used to stay there long time ago. So we arrived to the one coffee shop. I don't know what's the name, but was the big sign and it's open. It's actually very nice place over here.
So, because they put the sign like we are open and then we just came here and luckily it's closed ya Pak ya. Only 4 hours open. The restaurant. So yeah, we plan to buy coffee. It's very hot actually in Pemuteran, and then the guy said it's closed because of there is no tourists here, so they have to reduce the operational hour ya Pak ya.
And it's also actually 12 o'clock, which is like the middle of the day, and unfortunately, yeah.
They only open for breakfast because of I spoke to the guy behind how many hotels are open. So in Pemuteran area only 2 hotels are open, Taman Sari and Amerta Villas that we passed, and the rest like diving centers, restaurant, guest house, hotels, they remain closed because they no tourists at all.
At all, as you can see actually on the road and everywhere where we walk and drive, it's really like so sad view actually. I
Yeah.
have to say.
Well, actually, that when we passed over there, we saw that they also sell a hotel, 5-bedroom villas sell.
Yeah, it's also buildings properties
Yeah.
here are for sale. So that's basically how it looks, the situation in Pemuteran in the center. Honey, would you like to see the beach?
Yeah, let's go to the beach.
We will
Let's
see
see how
the
it is
beach
on the
then.
beach.
All right, honey.
Okay, so we will go to the beach. Let's see, because the hotels, the divers hotels, resort dive, they said it's closed.
And we remember this path over here because that was the private access to the beach from the hotel where we stayed a few years ago. That was actually long time ago. I don't even remember when, but remember the road. But it's changed here also quite a little bit. I don't remember these boats, but yeah, that's how it looks. And this is the Pemuteran beach access.
Yeah, as you see that Pemuteran is famous for bio rock. You see this one, the electricity and everything. Yeah, that's you know, the coral reef that they put electricity there. So this is how it is now in Pemuteran.
So that's how it looks in the Pemuteran beach, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Very quiet, I have to say. I don't wanna say that, but it's nothing here actually.
Yeah, so Pemuteran is famous for snorkeling, diving. So as you see that there are many divers here.
Yeah, that's how it looks. And this is also the hotel reef scene. We actually parked the car there, but it's totally closed. There's nobody even, like Winnie said, no even security. Nobody. There's nobody here actually. This is the Pemuteran beach area.
Many hotels are gone bankruptcy because
No
there is
people.
No people.
But it's totally no people.
There is a fisherman there. Let's have a call.
Actually, somebody is here. Some kids eating corn.
Kenapa datang ini? Kenapa karyanya ini Pak?
Bisa langsung. Dek,
Aduh, halo, apa kabar? Nggih.
kabar baik.
Wah, kabar baik.
Kabar
Oke,
baik.
dadah saya nanya dikit Pak.
Iya.
Kenapa situasi di Pemuteran mangken? So how is the situation right now in Pemuteran?
Kalau situasi ya seperti mangkin itu
What do you do before Bapak? Napi pekerjaan Bapak Dumun
kerja di pariwisata.
di pariwisata. Jadi diving instructor?
Nah.
Nah.
Di bagian.
Alright, so I just did a small interview with Bapak Wayan over there, and then I spoke to him like, what do you do? And he said he's just a housekeeper in the villas, and he said that, you know, the last occupancy in the hotel like last year January, and then after that will be off and going down. And then nowadays in Pemuteran only two hotels, a resort that is open, which is Taman Sari over there and Amarta Villas, the one that we saw before. That's only one that open. And then he said, I asked him, so what do you do? And then for daily life, and he said that he's going back to the ocean. He's, you know, being a fisherman, and then that's the only one that he can do to survive. So and then I asked, is there many hotels also sold here in Pemuteran? He said yes, they are behind there, hotels. And then they said that maybe Matahari Resort, the biggest resort in Pemuteran, is gonna be sold soon because of, you know, it's already abandoned for a long time.
Long time, so sad.
Yeah, just like this one, the river scene, what is it, the ride scene, creek scene, that resort, as you see, closed.
Everything is closed actually.
Nobody here.
So sad, so sad.
Yeah, and
Really
this
sad.
one, this one. Well, oh, this one, actually, what is inside the ocean, this is the miniature actually.
The miniatures what you can find in the ocean. This is very famous place for the diving. That's why like even here is some diving place at the front. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And many of the resorts here are also dive resorts. Yes, honey?
Terus ya, Ibu, diving centernya buka nih, Bu? Enggak. Tutup nih.
That's how it looks, the map where we are now. And diving, what you can see inside. So many actually small kind of islands around. It's very nice place for everyone who are interested of diving. Maybe not is the best time right now because it will be difficult to find any company, but in general it's very nice.
Alright, so I also spoke to the guy, you know, like the workers in this diver resort, and I asked, is it open or not? No, Ibu, because if we open, the operational cost also very high, and even if we sell the room, it doesn't cover the operational cost. So yeah, better we close it. So yeah, this is how it is now in Pemuteran, and then it's so sad, but we have to be still positive. And then he asked me, it's good now you enjoy Bali, yeah, because feel like you own the private a private, what is that, beach. Yeah, it's okay, but yeah,
But I think it will be better
miss
if
the
we'll be
crowd.
full of people here, you know, like a more positive,
Yeah,
happy vibe. I mean, not positive, but a happy vibe.
Yes.
It's just little bit sad when see beautiful resort like here behind you, Sayang, and it's just
yeah, and this is also the
Empty.
famous dive spot here in Pemuteran, as you see before, the small things.
yeah, and I showed the map
The
also.
miniature of
All right, that's how it looks, the situation in Pemuteran, northwest part of Bali.
yeah. So now we will head to the West Bali,
West Bali, which
and
is
we will see how it is the situation there during this, you know, like right now. So yeah, just stay tuned on our video because this
the
one,
West Bali doesn't finish yet, and it's tomorrow actually something special. You for sure will like it. So thank you for watching for today. See you tomorrow 4 p.m. See ya. Take care.
bye.